All right, so it's August 1st, and August means back to school time. So we want to thank eGiant for sending out this new 3-inch 3-ring binder. It's an all-in-one thing. So think from back in the day when we were growing up, Trapper Keeper, or any of those really cool all-in-one notebooks. Make a product that is very similar. So let's go ahead and let's open it. I've got Aubrey here. She's going to help us take a look at it. Aubrey, what grade are you going into? 5th grade. All right, let's go ahead and move the box out of the way, wrapped in some packaging. All right, so they do come in a couple different colors. So we got the black one. So we'll go ahead and show you just kind of around, show you the design right here. And it does come with a couple different hooks. So if you needed to like add a keychain or add something like that, maybe has your child's name on it, you could, because again, this could get lost in the shuffle of backpacks and things like that. So just really quick off the bat, we have 2 pockets up front. So we're gonna go ahead and open them. Ooh, really nice zipper. I love when a bag has a really good zipper on it that's really smooth. So you can see, let's go ahead and add like a couple pens or pencils to that. You can just put them in there. So she's just gonna add a couple school supplies just to kind of give you the idea of what this could look like. Probably want to put pencils down so they don't stab you.
Oh,
no, down. Yeah. You can add a couple over here. And then there's space on the other side of this. So we've got that. And then we also have a zipper pouch on the back. So it goes from the bottom to right here, so you can see how tall that is, and it goes all the way across. Again, really good zipper. And then the main compartment that we have is going to completely open this up. So again, this is 3-inch. So you know when you go and buy a notebook, right? They come in, it tells you how tall it is. So this is 3-inch, 3-ring.
You do it on this side.
Okay. She's gonna show me how it's done. No, you had it right.
Mm-hmm. No, it was the wrong way. Mm-hmm. Or it's this way.
Yes.
Okay. All right, and so this is just one notebook. So before we get into this side, I'll just kind of do what she's done here. So we'll stand it up. This could contain multiple notebooks, right? So this is designed if you had a huge paper or a huge notebook, you could put that whole thing in here. But if you have a different notebook for different subjects, like your math, your science, your English, and they're all different colors because we know they make you buy all colors for all subjects, you could put multiple on here and be able to move this around and get to the different notebook. And then on this side, we have another place to be able to put some things here. So think about like your protractor, your ruler, maybe some scissors, different things like that. So let's go ahead and flip the notebook over and let's take a look at this side. So we have this compartment here. Let's go ahead and remove the foam. And so, wow, okay. Just this piece right here, hold on. We have the ability to put pens and pencils in there so it can kind of everything straight. So she'll demonstrate that. We also have the ability to add something in here. Now that's just the top. All of this right here, so it had this little strap, all of this expands. So think of this as kind of your a style folder. If you wanted to separate things out, you have that space as well. And then what came in here, and it collapses down. So if you didn't have anything to put in there, it just lays completely flat. If you did, it's stretching really, really nice to be able to add things in there. And then what it came with, I said to add a keychain over here. This you could if you wanted to, but this is actually a strap if you wanted to carry it like on your shoulder. You have the ability to add these clips right here on the strap on each side. Got it? Beautiful. Okay, let's go ahead and zip this up. So we'll just demonstrate a couple different ways that you can carry this. I can't get over how nice the zippers are, honestly, because a lot of times you buy something and just the zipper just doesn't want to roll really nice. And this has got a really nice handle. And again, it just rolls really good. So the child could carry it like this, or it had that strap in there and then they could carry it on their shoulder if they wanted to. So this is where it would fit. She's a little taller than the average 10-year-old. But that fits really nice. So she did a crossbody, or she was able to just carry it on the shoulder, or Again, we're talking about back to school, a college age student or an adult who has a lot of things that they're taking in terms of supplies and things like that potentially to work, or maybe even a teacher is the one who's actually using this with all of their different supplies. This kind of supplements like a laptop bag, all the different things that you can in there for back to school time. So we want to again thank them out. Thank eGiant for sending out the 3-inch 3-ring binder bag. And all the really cool attachments in different places that you can put school supplies, and the versatile way that you can carry it. So if you were looking at something that will encompass everything all in one without throwing all the separate supplies into the bottom of the backpack, we would highly recommend checking them out. You like it?
Yep.
All right.